Which wheel spacers brand is best for your GMC? When it comes to GMC wheel spacers, brands matter. Brands offer safety and reduce the risk of disappointment. High-quality brand spacers pay off big time in terms of reliability. This is especially critical when you frankly go off-roading. High-quality GMC wheel spacers bring a level of reliability. High-quality GMC wheel spacers bring a level of reliability that also reduces maintenance costs. Real GMC wheel spacers from reputable companies are always the safety options. Companies that provide quality well-made GMC wheel spacers invest a healthy sum in designing and testing their products. Years of research and development make their GMC wheel spacers safer and more reliable. So, general brand GMC wheel spacers are exactly safe for daily driving or off-roading. It's proven that as long as you use high-quality GMC wheel spacers and install them properly, there will be no safety issues. BONOSS brand GMC wheel spacers strive to maintain top quality and the best user experience. Designed with longevity and consumer safety in mind, BONOSS promise and income promises fit, finish, and level of quality. Apart from the base function of spacers, BONOSS GMC wheel spacers provide more particular features. For example, the active cooling function, distribute in kettle shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow confusing inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as actuators which tremendously enlarge the air flow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, improve safety. In order to distinguish the real BONOSS GMC wheel spacers and protect customers' interests, BONOSS has built a complete authentication system. When you get the BONOSS GMC wheel spacers, check the authentication code on the package. Then compare these numbers with BONOSS official store's database. If they don't match, they are not genuine BONOSS products. It is always good to use genuine brand GMC wheel spacers. Each BONOSS wheel spacer is BONOSS engraved. These GMC wheel spacers are made in BONOSS own factory, so the quality is well guaranteed. Besides, genuine BONOSS GMC wheel spacers are covered by the manufacturer's warranty. Good quality is guaranteed to perform well and last for the life of the vehicle.